Mpumalanga man cut off girlfriend's hands for chatting with another guy. See sensitive pictures. Look at what this guy did to his girlfriend over minor issues that can be trashed and restore peace. He used motor saw to cut her both hands off just because he caught her flirting with another guy. Watch pictures. HERE. Relationship is not by force. When things are not working, when smiles and joy are no longer flourish, just walk away. Instead of living with a monster who will finally chop you into pieces. Ladies, learn to select who will value you, not who will send you to early grave. Forget what you enjoying from his pocket. Your life matters.